Happy Friday. Today, January 16th, 2009. This is Homie 3 with a smiley face. I hope everybody is doing well. We do have a lot of problems in this world and around our country. Concerning the Berg versus Obama lawsuit in the Supreme Court, we are very well aware of that on January 9th, the justices conferenced, and on January 12th, they denied the writ of certiorari by Philip J. Berg against Barack Obama. But today they are going to conference again about a certain other aspect of that case, and I feel that they are going to deny it as well. But Mr. Berg has two other cases, one in Washington, D.C. in the Federal District Court by a plaintiff of a retired lieutenant colonel of the United States Air Force who does have standing. And there is another case he has in the it has filed that is under wraps and under seal for many reasons. Now, let's look at something else concerning this aspect that I brought to the attention of various people and even the FBI of Miami, Florida, and Chicago, Illinois, their field offices. And I hope that even the White House has read an email concerning it. The aspect is that we know that Barack Obama went to Pakistan on an Indonesian passport in 1981 when he wasn't allowed to visit there as a United States citizen. And on the name on that passport, Barry Soetoro. And now he's Barack H. Obama. Now, here's something of an assumption, because we don't have proof, is that if he was walking around as Barry Soetoro, did he work and file taxes under the name Barry Soetoro? Now, what is he doing, and how is he filing his income taxes? Did he legally change his name? We can't find out, can we? He sealed all his records, correct? Well, I approached the I.R.S. on this, and they told me to fill out a complaint form. Now, if I did just me as one person to find out if it's really true, would they listen to one complaint form? Well, how about you, the public, go to the website irs.gov, fill out 2 forms and mail it in? How many forms would they get concerning this, and will they act? We know our court system and our Congress and Senate have not acted on this aspect of saying, Barack, give us your birth certificate or school records. We know many people of many races are now asking that question around the United States, and of many religions as well. This is something you could do with the I.R.S. Just mail them 2 forms, one saying Barry Soetoro, one with Barack Obama, or even another one stating Barack Obama, a.k.a. Barry Soetoro. That's spelled Soetoro. Let's see what happens. This is something enlightening that just came about the past few weeks, and I don't think they ever thought about that aspect of life. So now, let's see what can be done. We know that even Reverend J. Manning of the Atlah Worldwide Ministries had stated, cough up your birth certificate. That's all you got to do. Now, I have a few other things to say towards Reverend Manning. Concerning your talk about your recent convention of the NAACP, did I get that right? I hope I did. I'm sorry if I didn't. But you stated about how that maybe Barack Obama is not as black as you think he is because of that he was born of the white womb. That white womb has, or a white lady has produced every single president of the United States of America. Actually, Mr. Barack Obama or Barry Soetoro is what we call mulatto, a mixed breed. So the aspect is, let's not worry about that. It has nothing to do with race on this lawsuit. It's about his eligibility and qualifications and what he has done wrong in his life, if anything. Let's really look. We know as the news and the media has denied reporting on this to the people of the United States. We have to learn via YouTube. Now, also, you mentioned about trashiness. We have trashiness in every race, Reverend Manning. And I could say, in many races, there are very well-liked and God-fearing and straight and narrow people that have intermingled with the other races and married and have children. Is there something wrong with that? How did man or humanity evolve around this planet? How do you get white from black or black from white or Asian from both? Is it possible that God has created 3 separate Adam and Eves? Think about that, ladies and gentlemen, and Mr. Manning. Don't knock other races. And now, is it my fault of what happened 200 years ago or 300 years ago of certain white people that enslaved the black race from Africa? I certainly didn't do it, and I don't think any of my family did. Matter of fact, we had white people in this country that went to war during the Civil War to defend for the freedom of every man and woman on this planet or this earth and in this country. Think about that, ladies and gentlemen. And what about the Jewish religion of their enslavement by the Egyptians? And we could go down the list of the many different races that have been enslaved by others over the history of time. Is it really our fault? It's time to bury the hatchet and let's work together. And let's not have lawlessness abound through our countries. Because right now we do have another enemy on the block that we have to watch over our shoulder. Even you. If you're Christian, you have to worry, right? Think about it, ladies and gentlemen. And come back and listen to other videos that I'm going to post later on today or tomorrow concerning other aspects of life. May God bless.